Oh my God.
Ate Aya.
Hi guys!
Hello.
Welcome back to our vlog.
I thought it was welcome because we were doing a purchase one. Or was it landscape? Purchase. And we are 100% at home. What do you want to do?
We're going to have our gender reveal at Asaman.
Green coffee.
Green coffee. We're going to order a coffee. I mean frap, okay? And we're going to hand it
Daddy.
over to the...
Daddy, why this a battery?
Yeah, that's my battery. We're gonna hand it over to the staff, to the crew.
I know. Daddy,
Okay, let's be straight the video.
if it's cookies and cream,
If it's cookies and cream, then it's a boy.
boy.
A boy,
But
okay?
if it's a girl,
If-
from chocolate. Here you go now.
So, na namin diri karon sa Green Coffee guys para gender reveal. So, nami plano.
Gender review ko, pero kamo ako na makabalaw.
Ah.
Tapos, yan naman na mga if chocolate chip siya. Chocolate chip ang yung i-serve. Boy, pag girl, kaya siya cookies and cream. Natabo nila sa taas ko yan. Kaya maklaro na ina mo cookies and cream, mga frog.
Nadiri ang result.
So, mo yung result. So,
Hindi lang po na
dili lang po.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tama, hindi siya maklaro.
Kita,
Hindi ba silang dagway?
Dagway, oh. You excited? Raise your hand if you want a boy. Raise your... Oh, boy po ga? Raise your hand if you want a girl.
Famous na kayo.
Hala! It's it. Yeah, wait
full
lang.
taste first.
We'll taste first.
Yeah.
Yeah, nana. Thank you, sir, ah. Thank you kayo.
Ayan, nag-green coffee. Wait. Ang going to
Don't say it first, ha? Cover your mouth.
Ako na lang muna, babe. Ikaw muna, ikaw siya.
Ay, gusto magsapa na siya.
Ayos.
Ayaw sapa, ha? Go. Ate Aya. He doesn't know because
He doesn't know kay
Don't say it. 1, 2, go.
I can.